Go tubers, Stickman. Hey, doing another job on the C3 today. Wife was on Facebook. We're all getting on Facebook. And the new Joolca shower head was a suggested post. I know some people have mounting problems and that, and this came up. It comes with a base, magnetic base. So we thought, beauty. Now, as we all know, all these aluminium magnets don't stick to aluminium. The beauty of this is, instead of having to turn the head, you just switch on, off for your water. So you got all the desired temperature and that sort of stuff. So we've got plenty of this zinc-anneal, they call it. So I cut a small piece off. And yesterday while I was doing the solar install, I gave this a coat of plank with water on it. So this is going to be mounted on the back, on the wall of the van at the back. So when you pull the Ensuite out, the Ensuite will fall down, like that, and it will hold the shower head. I've tied this up a little bit, try to keep it out of the way. But what we're thinking is putting the shower head over on the far side from the door opening, so keep most of the water on one side, so you can hang your towels up on the bar that we've put in the top, and about kids' height, but also us adults, we can just pick it up, whatever. So we're going to put it about there. So give it a wipe down, a bit of moisture in here, clean that off. Of that. Next thing, make sure the surface is nice and clean. Get that squirt off that. That's nice and clean, ready to stick. And we get our piece of metal, same thing. Spray on the back, make sure there's no contaminants. And I've just dropped the paper towel everywhere. Give that a good wipe. All nice and clean, and this is handy stuff. Sally's 3-in-1. It's like the Sticko, it's just a nice handy tube. Sticks, seals, filled. You get it from the big green shed. Take the lid off. Nice, generous mount on the back. Sticker on. Bit windy here today. Around, put some across the middle just to make sure. Okay. Make sure to put lid on so it doesn't go off while it's being stored. I usually keep a tin of that in the van, so if there's any leaks or anything I need to do, I can fix it. So if we stick it there, kids' height, we can even shower with it. Stick on like so. Now to hold it in place, the trusty blue tape. Now this stuff's good, not like your normal masking tape that leaves marks and stuff and that. This is just like your painter's edging tape, so you get it from any hardware. And you leave it on for up to 14 days and it doesn't leave a mark. Make sure it's stuck properly. Like so. Voila. So now, stick like that. But I'll show you how it's going to work. Okay, so you set up camping. You got your hot water system out on the outside. Run the hose through this hole here. I'm not going to hook it all up because you all know how to hook it all up. And then plug her in the bottom of this. And then bang, hold your shower. So you can pivot it. Hold it up whichever way, but that's the right height for the kids. They can turn it on and off. Makes it a lot easier for them to shower than trying to turn it. And just as easy to pick it up to do whatever. Whack it back on. Because I found trying to secure the the shower head in here. It's always moving around and all that sort of stuff. So that's a nice little trick. Oh, I'm sure you go to any metal place where they cut a bit. Just make sure you put plenty of paint and I used an enamel paint to get a good coat on there, and you're done. I'm not 100% sure how much these cost just for the head and a new hose. I think it's like 60 to 80 bucks off the Joolca website.